The POCO C85 is now official, featuring an impressive battery and affordable price. After numerous leaks and rumors, POCO has officially launched its new budget phone, the POCO C85. This device comes with a 6.9-inch LCD display, which boasts an adaptive sync refresh rate reaching up to 120 Hz. It has a typical brightness of 660 nits and can go up to 810 nits when exposed to sunlight. Furthermore, the display is TUV certified for eye care protection, and it includes a U-shaped notch. This notch contains the 8-megapixel front selfie camera featuring an f2.0 aperture. On the back, there's a dual camera claimed to be AI-assisted, but it is a 50-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture. The phone has a 12-nanometer processor, the 8-core MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra with options of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another version with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The RAM can supposedly be expanded up to a total of 16GB with virtual RAM, and the phone also features storage that can be increased up to 1TB using a microSD card. The battery is a 6,000 mAh one, which the company claims can provide up to 82 hours of music playback time. For charging, it supports fast charging at 33 watts and also offers 10 watts reverse charging via cable, allowing it to be used as a power bank. Despite this very good battery, the phone is only 7.9 millimeters thick and weighs 205 grams. We are also going to find dust and water resistance with IP64. Only for simple splashes, and also has fingerprint reader on the side. In the software, we find Hyper OS 2.0 based on Android 15 and curiously includes the circle to search function. The price in Mexico is 2,099 pesos for the 128GB version and 3,199 pesos for the 256GB version. Globally, we're looking at just over $100, making it very appealing. Comment if you think the POCO C85 is the best entry-level option or if there are better choices.